Hello, everybody. I get to talk about the future today and in the future, because really today is the future for us. And some of our integrating partners are here today. U.S. Bank, Great American, Wells Fargo, okay, ConnectWise. Over the last 2 years, everything that we have been doing has been focused on integrations. Integrations bring efficiency. You guys pay a lot of money to people to do things manually. The speed at which you're doing business today is faster every single day. And so in order for us to help you, we have to integrate. So we're doing things that we've never been able to do before. Another thing that we're doing is, in fact, with one of the members of the CDA, we're building bundled solution tools for AV, for security. We already have IT and document management and scanning services, specifically designed pricing tools so that you don't have to have different tools for different salespeople and the tools don't work together. Consistency is very important, so I always do this with like a funnel or a V. We want all the salespeople and all the transactions going into one system so that reports are complete, accurate, and timely, and people can get paid commissions through one system and so forth. TCO tool, fully integrated with our platform now, and it's getting better and better and better. I think it's okay for me to announce that we're going to be announcing a partnership with Gap Intelligence, who is going to be providing us data to feed the TCO tool and work with us to make sure that that catalog and costing data is very accurate. And last, I'm going to skip a little bit all the way down to the bottom. And we're about to announce SalesChain Finance. Now, I'm a little tongue twisted, quite frankly, when I describe this tool because it's new and it's very detailed. But what we are doing is we've created a financial management tool to translate, think about this now, translate the sales order from the salesperson into the appropriate booking perspectives that you have for your financials, that you have for your finance companies, and your sales rep commissions. Today, almost every deal that's processed by you, okay, you're paying somebody to translate these transactions to book, okay? We have automated that process. So from our CPQ tool, right into eAutomate, we're able to push these sales orders in the appropriate booked perspective. We're able to hit a button and generate interim rent invoices for the finance companies, okay? And we're now going to be rolling out with the leasing partners the invoice to get billed and funded, okay? So we're really excited to work with you guys. As Kim mentioned, we closed three more. I think we have a couple more that are about to close in the group. And so thank you very much for having us. We look forward to seeing you, I guess, in Boca next, is it?
And I'll just leave you with, again, thank you, all of the customers in this room. Thank you for your business and your partnership. We love it. Our whole goal as a company is to help you guys sell more faster, right? That's the goal for everything, and obviously accurately. So thank you for your time. That's all we've got to say. And come see us if you want more detail.